back to Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Let's get ready to learn.
This is video series number 25. Boys and girls, we are going to learn our new sound. But let us review all the sounds we have learnt before. S, t, a, n, I, h, m, d, e, r, g, a, f, o, l, b, e, o, I, j, I, o, z. Sit tight, boys and girls. Let us learn our new sound now. Aesop told a fable about the wind and the sun. The west wind and the sun are having an argument about which of them is the strongest. The west wind says to the sun, "You see that man down there? I bet I can blow so hard that his coat comes off." The west wind blows and blows and blows. Woo, woo, woo. But the man hangs on to his warm coat. The harder the wind blows, the more tightly the man holds on to his coat. "My turn. Let me try," says the sun. The sun shines and shines, and the man gets warmer and warmer, then hotter and hotter. Then the man gets too hot and takes off his coat. "I win," says the sun, and the west wind storms off angrily. Woo, woo, woo. What sound did we learn today? Woo. Let us look at how to write our sound woo. Woo is a short letter. You always start from the top, make a slight line down, go back up, go back down again, and go back up again. Almost like a zigzag. Okay? And remember, it is a short letter. When you're making your slight lines, it must not be too wide that it wants to fly. It must be close enough to make a nice woo. Why don't you try it? Start from the top, slight curve, go down, slight curve, go up, slight curve, go down again, and slight curve, go up. Very good, children. Practice writing it in your notebooks. Now it's reading time. We are going to read some words, but let us sound the letters first if you have difficulty, and then read the words. Remember, when you read the words, take your time and sound the letters first. W, E, B, web. Next one, W, I, G, wig. Next one, W, E, T, wait. Next one, T, W, I, G, twig. And the last one, W, E, S, T, waist. Now it's your turn. You give it a try. I know you can. Read these words on your own, and while you're reading them, take a picture of you reading them and send it to your teacher. Teacher wants to hear the sound, so make sure you get that on video. Now it's dictation time. I am going to call four words for you, and I would like you to write it in your notebooks. After writing it, send the picture to your teacher. First word, win. Win. Second word, swim. Swim. Next word, sweet. Eat. Sweet. And the last word, this one is tricky now, so take your time. Weekend. E End. Weekend. Don't forget to take the picture now and send it to your teacher.
We had so much fun today. Come back next time for more fun from Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Bye bye!